To redeem the reward points earned on your HSBC credit card, start by logging into your online banking account or the HSBC mobile banking app. Once you have accessed your account, navigate to the Rewards or Credit Card section, where you will find the total number of reward points you have accumulated. Next, review the rewards catalog to browse through the various redemption options available, such as gift vouchers, travel bookings, or cashback. Choose the reward that best suits your preferences and ensure you have sufficient points to redeem it. If you want to redeem your points for cashback, you can do so by selecting the cashback option and following the prompts to complete the redemption process. The cashback amount will be credited to your credit card account, and you can use it to offset your outstanding balance. For gift vouchers or other rewards, select the item you wish to redeem and follow the instructions to complete the redemption process. You will receive an email with a voucher code or instructions on how to claim your reward. It is essential to note that reward points are subject to expiration, so make sure to redeem them before they lapse. You can check the expiration date of your points in the rewards section of your online banking account or mobile app. To maximize the value of your reward points, consider redeeming them for higher value items or experiences, such as travel bookings or luxury goods. Additionally, keep track of your points balance and redemption history to ensure you are getting the most out of your rewards program. By following these steps and understanding the redemption process, you can easily redeem your HSBC credit card reward points and enjoy the benefits of your loyalty program. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your rewards program to ensure you are aware of any changes or updates to the redemption process.